watching Cosmic Science. You might have seen a coin, it has two sides always. Like, this is a coin, there are two sides of the coin. One side is this, another side is this. This side is advantageous, and this side is disadvantageous. This side is disadvantageous. We have seen the advantages of friction. Now let's see what is the disadvantages of friction. So if I am driving a bus, when it's moving on the road, its tire experiences a force of friction under the surface of the tire. Due to this friction, the size of the shape of the tire gets altered. So, which in turn affects the engine of the bus, in which pistons are moving very fast and they get heated. So, these are the things that happen when friction is experienced by tire of a bus. So the thing is, one thing I want to tell you is, due to one friction, there is a multiple frictional effects are being created. So, and also the velocity of the bus will be reduced as the tire experiences friction and engine becomes heated, and the friction between the pistons increases. In turn, the speed of the bus is reduced. So these are the disadvantages due to friction, you can say. So there are many examples which can state the disadvantages of friction. So due to friction we experience on our feet gets sometimes hurt, or it can get some scratches, or during the winter time it gets cracks on the feet. So these are some of the disadvantages of friction. So this is all about friction. Let's move to another concept. In laws of motion, there are some objects which move in a circular path. Just like a watch, you might have seen the arrow move in a circular path. So objects which move in a circular path are called objects in circular motion. So these objects which are in a circular motion, they possess some acceleration towards the center of this circle. So that acceleration is given by A is equal to v square upon r. R is the radius of this object and this center of this circle. V is the velocity, A is the acceleration. So this was about circular motion. So now, when this object moves in a circular path, it experiences a force towards the center of the circle. This force is called centripetal force. So, in brief, the object which moves in a circular path with a center it possesses some acceleration towards the center. Also, it experiences a force towards the center of the circular path. So this was about circular motion and centripetal force. let's see expression for centripetal force. The force which is directed from object to the center of the circular path. What is that force? How to calculate that force? We'll see in this. We'll see ahead of this. We are going to derive expression for centripetal force. Centripetal force. We are going to derive force for centripetal force. As we all know, in a circular path, object experiences acceleration towards the circular path, which is given by A is equal to v square upon r. But in centripetal force, body experiences some force. In a circular path here, the body experiences a force in this direction towards the center. So this force is given by F is equal to m into A. F is equal to m into A. What is A? What can we substitute here? F is equal to m into this term. This term we can substitute v square upon r. So this is the expression for centripetal force. This is expression for centripetal force. So this was about disadvantages about friction, circular motion, centripetal force we have seen, and how to calculate the centripetal force experienced by this object towards the center we have seen. So we have derived the equation here. So here m means mass of the object, velocity of the object, which is squared, and this is a radius. This is the radius here. So this was all about laws of motion. There are some few concepts which I can't derive on this congested board. So I'll be just briefing about that concept in coming my video. So after that, the chapter of laws of motion is completed, and we'll go with another chapter in coming videos. If you like this whole chapter, and if you find more familiar to you, or find it exciting, you are really happy with this, please do share, subscribe, and hit a like button so that it motivates me. It will create a centripetal force towards the board for me. So this was about all about today. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, think calm, and focus on the work. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.